This is the tutorial number 1 on how to participate in your online examination. This video explains how to download your examination paper using your mobile phone. It is advisable to use Moodle Android application when you are using your mobile phone to participate in your examination. For that, if you don't already have Moodle Android application installed in your phone, then you have to install it. So for that, go into Play Store and search for Moodle and click install. Now the Moodle Android application is installed. You can click on open. Click on I am a learner. You have to enter the web address of CDCE LMS. Click here and enter cdcelms.pbn.ac.lk. Click this and now you have to enter your username and password. AEBA 2018 9997 and your password is your NIC number and click login. Now your dashboard is loaded. You can see all your registered examination subjects which are activated at this moment here. And also you can click on Site Home to view the same. To view the site announcement, you can click here. Otherwise, go into My Courses and select your preferred subject to download. I'm going to click on FNB 103. Okay, now click on Download Examination Paper. Then click on Open the file. Now, if you want to download this, you can click on this 3 dots and click Download. Now your examination paper is downloaded into your mobile phone. You can go into Downloads and here click Find your downloaded paper. Okay, that is how to download your examination paper using your mobile phone. Thank you. And then click on Accounts and select Add Account and select Google. So after selecting Google, you can enter your email address and password and connect your email address to your phone. Once that is done, you can use Google Drive. So now go into Google Drive and you can create a new folder to save all of your examination answer papers. For that, click on the plus mark at the bottom of your screen and click folder, the first option. I'm going to enter BA 100 exam and then click create. Now your folder is created. Now you have to go into the folder and again click the plus mark at the bottom of your screen. Now you have to select scan option. With this option you can scan your answer papers. So I am selecting the scan option. So now my camera is activated and I can see the answer paper. This is only a sample answer papers. The answer paper we just created for the demonstration purpose. So you have to use your own answer paper. It is better to write your registration number on top of the answer paper on each of answer papers and write your examination subject and the examination medium. Okay, now I have positioned the camera correctly over the answer papers and I am activating the flasher. Okay, now I select the paper and click capture. Okay, now the photo has been taken. Now you have to click the tick mark at the top of your screen and then if you are happy with your scanned paper, you can add your second page. For that, click on the plus mark at the left bottom of your screen. This one. Okay. Now this is the page 2. I'm clicking capture again and again the tick mark at the top of your screen and okay, I'm happy with this page also, so I'm clicking on the plus mark to scan the third paper. Okay, this is the sample page for the third page. I'm clicking capture again and clicking the tick icon at the top. Okay, now you can see all 3 pages has been scanned. Now when you are finished with scanning, you can click on the save button at the bottom of your screen, at the right bottom of your screen. Save. Okay, once it's saved, it is automatically being uploaded into the Google Drive. So you should now rename your scan paper. For that, click on these 3 dots and select rename. Rename with the name of with the subject code of your subject. FNDE 101 and click rename. Okay, now it is saved, but to upload this to your, now you have to upload this to your CDC LMS. So for that you need to download this. To download this, you can click again on the 3 dots and select download option. Okay, now it's downloaded. Now you can go to the notification or go to your downloads folder. Now this is your downloads folder. You can see your answer paper has been downloaded. You can click on it to view 3 pages answer sheet. Okay, now you can use this to upload to your CDC LMS. So that is basically how you can use Google Drive to scan your answer papers. Remember that when you are using Google Drive, your downloaded answer papers will be in your downloads. Okay. The next Android application you can use to scan your answer papers is Adobe Scan. Now to download the Adobe Scanner, you can go into Play Store and search Adobe Scan and click search. Okay, click on it and this is the application. Now click install. It is being installed. Okay, now click open. To scan your answer papers using Adobe Scan, you have to create an account in Adobe Scan. For that, you can click sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Apple. Signing in with Facebook is easier, so I'm going to click on sign in with Facebook. Click continue. Okay, you may have to enter your email address if your Facebook account is not connected to an email address. Otherwise, your screen will look like this, and you can check. Please don't contact me via email, and click on done. Click on continue and you are signed in. Click on let's go. Now you have to allow permissions for the Adobe Scan application. Click allow. Now your camera is automatically activated. If your surroundings are dark, you can turn on your flasher. So to capture your scan your first examination answer paper, you can click on the paper and it is automatically capturing your paper. If you are not happy with the borders, you can change with the crop tool like this and click continue. If you want to again scan your paper, click retake. I'm going to click on continue because my paper looks okay. Continue, and I'm going to scan the next paper too. Okay, the application has again automatically scanned my paper. I'm resizing my paper using the tool like this, and you can click continue. It is automatically scanning like this. Retake, because auto scanner is activated. You can deactivate it using clicking on this icon just on the left below corner, the second icon. You can click on here to turn off auto capture. Otherwise, you can turn it on like this. It will automatically scan your papers. If you do not want to automatically scan it, you can turn it off like this. Now I have turned it off. So Now I have to click on capture button to scan the paper. Okay, my third paper is also scanned. I'm going to scan the fourth page as well. Click on capture. Just like that, your page is scanned. Now when you are done, you can click on collection of your papers displayed at the bottom right hand corner on your screen. Click. Now all your papers is displayed. If in any case you are not happy with the cropped image, you can click on cropped icon option here and again change the borders like this and click the tick. Okay, now I am happy with my scanned document. I'm going to rename it. So to rename it, click on this small pen icon and type the name of your subject, FNDE 101. Then click rename. Okay, now you have to click on save PDF. Now it's saved, but you need to upload this to your CDC LMS. So for that, this is at the moment saved in Adobe Scan account, so you need to download this. For that, you can click on more and click copy to device. Click allow, and now it's been copied to your mobile phone. When you're using Adobe Scan, your downloaded answer sheets will be available in your documents folder. So go to your documents folder and select Adobe Scan folder. So here you can see your scanned document. When you scan your documents, while scanning or after scanning, you should check your documents for the clarity of the text containing in it. So first I'm going to see this first document, and you can see the text are very easily readable and the text are very clear. And I'm going to the next document. And on this document, the text are not easily readable and you cannot easily recognize the text in this document. So this can happen if the brightness has increased while you are taking your while scanning this document. So what you should do is, if this happens, you have to turn off your flasher before taking your scanned papers. If the lights in the surroundings are too much and you have turned on your flasher, this could happen. So try to turn off your flasher and take the scan again and check again for the clarity of the text. And if the issue has solved, you can upload the clear document. So for that, you always have to check your document before uploading into CDCE LMS. And enter your username, that is your registration number converted into simple letters and removing slashes. AEPA 2018 9997, and your password is your NIC. And click login. Okay, this is the dashboard of the CDCE LMS, and you can go here on the dashboard. Also you can view your examination subjects available. You can also go to site home and click on my courses. Say if you want to upload FND 101, select that subject. Here you can see upload answer paper. Click on that option. Here the submission status is not attempt and not graded. And below you can see the due date and time. Now click on add submission button. Here you are given few instructions that your file shouldn't exceed 2 megabytes in maximum, and the maximum number of files you can upload is only one, and the format is always should be in PDF format. So basically you can only upload one PDF document as your answer paper. Now click on add file. Select file and go to files. So if you have scanned your answer papers using Google Drive, it should be in downloads. Otherwise, if you scanned your answer papers using Adobe Scanner, it should be in documents. I'm going to select from documents, Adobe Scan and FND 101. Make sure you are selecting the right answer sheet. So if you're in FND 101 subject, make sure you are selecting FND 101 answer paper. Click on that paper. Okay. Now make sure you click save button on top right hand corner. If you couldn't click that save option, your file will not be uploaded and your submission will not be graded and your examination will not succeed. So make sure you click save option. Click OK. So if your uploading is successful, your submission status will now show submitted for grading, and your file will be here. Now you can go back and upload your other answer papers. That is how you can upload your answer papers to the CDCE LMS. So I wish you all the best for your examination. Thank you.